Have you ever visited a website and found the text too small, difficult to read, or simply not to your liking? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change font settings in LibreWolf and customize how text appears while browsing. To get started, click the application menu in the top right corner of LibreWolf and select Settings. Ensure the General section is selected from the menu on the left. Then scroll down until you find the Fonts section. Here you'll see a setting called Default Font. Using the drop-down menu, you can choose the font LibreWolf uses by default when displaying web pages that don't specify their own font. Right below that, you'll find the Size setting, which allows you to increase or decrease the default font size. If text appears too small on many websites, increasing this value can make browsing much more comfortable. For additional options, click the Advanced option located below the font size settings. This opens a more detailed font configuration menu where you can customize how different types of text are displayed. For example, you can choose separate fonts for serif, sans serif, and monospace text. Websites often use these different font types for headings, paragraphs, code blocks, and other content. You'll also find a setting called Minimum Font Size. This can be useful if you frequently visit websites that use very small text. By setting a minimum size, LibreWolf will prevent text from becoming smaller than the value you choose. Another important option is allow pages to choose their own fonts instead of your selections above. When this option is enabled, websites can display their intended fonts and designs. If you disable it, LibreWolf will try to use the fonts you've selected instead, creating a more consistent appearance across different websites. After making your changes, simply click OK to save them. The changes take effect immediately, although you may need to refresh open pages to see the results. Adjusting font settings can improve readability and make websites more comfortable to browse. I hope this guide helped you customize the browsing experience to better match your preferences and improve readability throughout the web.